So in this Fiverr.com tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to view your earnings as a seller here on Fiverr. So first thing you have to do once you get onto Fiverr is switch your buying account to a seller's account. So if you just go to the top here and press on Become a Seller, and then press on Create Profile if you've already created a profile, you'll actually be logged in right away. So this is my seller's profile now. Now once you guys are here, I want you guys to go to the top to where it says My Business, press the drop down, and then press on Earnings. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and see the overview of your earnings. So in this case, my available funds are zero. All my future funds are zero. Earnings and expenses, earnings to date are zero. Basically everything's zero because I haven't really earned anything because I just created the selling account for the purpose of this video. So once again, make sure you're on the seller's account, go to the top, My Business Earnings, and then it'll bring you to the earnings screen right here where you can go ahead and view your earnings. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to view your earnings as a seller here on the Fiverr.com tutorial video. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.